Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are here. It is absolutely beautiful outside today. My goodness. Dark Bro, F-I-R-S-T. First in the chat, baby. Oh, yes. First all day today. Except for earlier when Frank was first in that one stream. First like, what's going on, Lemon Lust, Dark Bro, Lemon Lust, Moji, Tim. How you doing, Tim? Glad to have you in here nice and early today. Moji, Dark Bro, J-Bones, baby. We get Dark Bro, Lemon Lust, Gorilla Invictus. How you doing, man? Dark Bro, Tim. We got Moji, Gorilla Invictus, Dark Bro, Gorilla Invictus, J-Bones. All of you guys. So glad to have you in here. Let's check the market out and see what is going on after hours right now. AMC finished the day down today, $4.20. Everybody probably loving that 420 there. It is down 2.10%. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 727, up 1.82% today. GameStop sitting at 22.72 right now, down 0.5% on the day today. Not too much movement there, and down 0.02% after hours. Mullen Auto finishing down about 13% on the day after touching 18.64, bouncing a little bit into the close there, finishing at 19.19 for the day. Nasdaq actually turning back around and finishing in negative territory. Nasdaq bouncing off this line and coming back down, so unable to reclaim the 13,800 mark, finishing the day at 13,660 points. AMC, like we say, 420. You got GameStop finishing at 22.72. Dogecoin, 6.5 cents right there, on its way back down a little bit. Ethereum, 18.63, sitting sideways. 727, dead sideways for Shiba Inu coin. Bitcoin finishing, well, not finishing, but sitting right now, $30,230 per coin. Mullinado, like we said, 19.19. All right, let's get some legs there. AMC, 427, might be doing something after hours right now. We've got Sundial sitting at $1.44. SPY, 438. BBIG, you've got $1.88 on BBIG. Massive swings today, well above $2 per share twice, and then finishing the day kind of steady with a whopping 56.67% gain. BBIG rolling today. I don't know what the news was. I did not participate in this rally. BBIG, too risky for me. Didn't want to touch it there. But nonetheless, massive, massive gains if anybody is still holding BBIG out there. Highcroft Mining, $30.95. My gosh. $438 on the Nasdaq. Netflix, my gosh, get it together, man. $437.82 on Netflix. Coming back down just a little bit, but it's coming off those gains at 442. QQQ, 366 into the close. Some red lines there. AMC's Ape sitting at $1.84. It is up on the day today. MPW, 926 at the close, 924 after hours. Tesla, basically following the Nasdaq down, basically following Netflix down, basically coming down with the rest of the market today into the close to finish at $274.43. Enovix finishing the day down a little bit, but up over the overall day. And basically market action is what we got here, 1874. PID, 1773. Joby finishing at 954, up 3% on the day today, down just slightly after hours. We're going to go back. We're going to watch Bitcoin into the after hours trade here. Pesky workday keeps keeping me away. Come on, Gorilla Invictus. Nobody wants that pesky thing called work to keep anybody out of the live streams. Stay with us, man. Stay with us. Limitless wants to know, where is Pepe? 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 420, and 5 at right now. Hopefully they are all up, but I don't know where they are. We can check out some of them if you would like. Coming down there, we'll pull that up in a second. Oh, let's get that out of the way. Where's Farmy? I'll figure out where that one's at, because I knew that one was down a little bit earlier today. Let's see where it finished. Down just slightly. Farmy finished the day 41.60. Trying its best not to fall below this 40-cent mark. Oh my gosh, dude, it is right there, touching 40.70 this morning, bouncing back on a couple thousand shares, 100,000 shares being traded today. 41.60 cents is where Farmy closed, unable to break down below this 40-cent level of support at the moment. Give it some time, man. Give it some time, and it'll probably fall right on down through there. Coming back out here to Bitcoin, and we're going to pull up, I do want to see where all of these Pepes are, right? Let's see what all these Pepes are doing here. So half Pepe. Half Pepe is currently sitting down 11% on the day today. Half Pepe right here bouncing up a little bit from where it was earlier, but not really gaining. Actually, dude, I mean, if you look at this, 009, this is just the 1 day graph. 009. Man, that's a triple. It's a 3x gain right here. It's a 3x gain, dude. I mean, half Pepe, $79,000 market cap, $34,000 in volume. I mean, that's moving. Half Pepe is moving. Wow, that's a 3x gain in the last couple of hours. Might even be a 3x gain from where we were earlier looking at it. Holy smokes. Normal Pepe, since we're right there then, is 150 points per coin, down 1% on the day today. Pepe 2.0, let's see where all these Pepes are hanging out. Pepe 2.0, sitting down 20% on the day today, $51 million market cap, not bad at all. Didn't Kenneth get in at a $6 million market cap? We got Pepe 3.0, I think it's this one. Pepe 3.0, my gosh, dude. $3 million market cap. This is a 1 day graph here. $3 million market cap. Yesterday was at $1 million. We are up another 372% on the day today. Absolute insanity, man. I am telling you, nothing but gains in all of these Pepes. And thank you very much to my man, I have no idea what this name is, for subscribing. Absolutely appreciate that. Let's come back out here to Pepe. It's Pepe 420. Yeah, Pepe 420. Didn't this just have 130? Who the heck went in there and bought this? It's at a $40,000 market cap when we went in and looked at it a minute ago, right? Yeah. Tripling. Quadrupling in price since then. Dude, what is going on, man? Somebody went in there and massively bought Pepe 420. It was not me. I did not do it. I thought about doing it, but I didn't do it. And now we're sitting on a 400% gain. Oh my gosh, dude. Gee, mini Christmas. And then, is there a Pepe 5? Pepe 5.0. Why not? Why not, man? Why not? I mean, we were looking at it right here at our live stream earlier, right? 10x gains. 10x gains while you were gone with 3 warnings, so watch out. 10x gains while we were gone, and I did not participate in any of them. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. If this dips back down, if somebody gets out of this, I'm getting in. If that dips back down, I'm in. Probably not going to dip back down. Probably going to miss out on this one, too. My gosh, dude. Pepe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them with massive gains. Come on now. Absolutely ridiculous. All of the Pepes are soaring, Lemon Lust. They are soaring. I'm only joking, Lemon Lust. I was not joking. I wanted to see where they were. So all of the Pepes absolutely ripping. How do you feel about bad AI? It just came out about 3 months ago. Yeah, Project NFFFTTZV. I feel like it's going to do well as long as the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team keeps pumping it the way that they are. They're making a lot of money on it, so I think that they're going to keep pumping it. So go buy bad AI if you want to buy bad AI. They're probably going to get a lot of exposure at the ETH Toronto event and sitting right there at the Shiba Inu coin booth. And those guys are going to make a lot of money pumping bad AI during that Toronto event. FIRST. First, Pudgy. Coinbase says free $5 for learning about the asset. Converted it to ADA after I got it. You can actually get $15 if you do more stuff for asset. Very nice, guys. If you want to go make $15, go check out asset on Coinbase. Listen to Grill Invictus. It's a free 15. PWM is running hard. Let's check it out. Diamond Banana Peel. Let's 15% gain. I'm not touching it. There you go, Mo G. baby. Whale Magic Carpet Ride. Let's make it happen. Some crazy gains. It really is. We're on a Whale Magic Carpet Ride. A whole new whale. Yes, some OG, man. You guys make some gains this weekend with 45x gains in all of the Pepes out there. Libra, is possible you have any analysis on the Bitcoin 4-hour candle wick from 30,600 to 31,500 and how and what happened on those leveraged traders long and short? So I don't know what would have happened to the leveraged traders. It obviously depends on how far leveraged they were and how heavily leveraged they were. But if you want to look at the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, I mean, all of my lines are still going to hold up on this. But you're specifically talking about this one candle right here. This is roughly $30,600. It's about a 3% move, okay? It's about a 3% move going from 30,600 up to 31,600. So it all depends on how heavily leveraged these guys were. If they were 10x leverage, that's a 30% gain. 100x leverage, you know, that's a 300% gain. So it does all depend on how heavily leveraged they were. If they were long, okay? If they were long and they were 30x leveraged, right? They would have obviously made double their money. 3% times the 30x, they would double their money. If they were short and they 30x leverage, they would have busted their trade. So looking at that right there, I don't know what the move was other than a possible technical try at breaking out of the 30,600 mark there. But on that candle, they would have busted their accounts if they were 30x leveraged and they were short. If it ran up here and they decided to get in on a potential breakout, as soon as they came back down on a 30x leverage trade, they would have busted. If they would have come back all the way down here, I mean, it could have even been like a 20x leverage trade. They would have busted their trade there. So very, very dangerous to leverage in this area. Right now, on the 4-hour, if we do not bounce back up into this area, we could be reattempting a breakdown towards that 29,000 mark. So please keep an eye on that if you guys are interested in it. But we have been trading very nicely between this 30,000 mark and 30,600. I don't know if the weekend's going to allow it to break back to the upside, or of course if the weekend's going to lead to some downside. Nobody really knows, but that's where we're sitting right now, is right in between. Almost dead even at 30,300 is halfway between 30,600 and of course 30,000. So watch out for that. But that's all I got on that one, man. It does all depend on where they would have been leveraged and how much they would have been leveraged on it. I missed 4.20. Oh, man. Yeah, you should have bet the farm, dude. You would have been up 3x already in a matter of hours, man. When Scambarium. So apparently Scambarium is going to be coming out at ETH Toronto. That is happening in August. Let's see. All right, let's see when ETH Toronto is. August 15th. And 16th. If you want to know when ETH Toronto is, August 15th and 16th is when you are going to be seeing the Shibarium release. Should you be excited about it? I do not know yet, but that is when Satoshi has said ETH Toronto is going to be released. August 15th, August 6th, or when Shibarium is going to be released at ETH Toronto. August 15th, August 16th, right there. You guys have 5 weeks before that release comes out. It might be jaded. I ain't buying anything with carpet in it. Carpet, rug, a pole is a pole. Tim, a pole is a pole, man. Speaking of farm, Clay get his bacon. Nope, never been to farm. Maybe a field, but not the entire farm. If AMC MOAS, how high do you think it can go? Project NFTV, man, NFTTV. I have not had this question in a very, very long time. Let me tell you this, man. I am highly skeptical of an AMC squeeze at this point. If Adam Aaron gets his way with this court case, I don't see how we can squeeze. If somehow the judge sides with the shareholders, I think that a short squeeze could take play. I don't know how high it would go. I truly don't. At this point, so many people have left the game that I'm skeptical people would hold much beyond break even. If it created some sort of a FOMO event and people began to buy into AMC crazily like they were doing in 2021, in that case, I can reassess the situation there. But I really do not know how high AMC could go during some sort of a short squeeze event right now. Federal Aviation Administration, nice move. Not yet. I caught an EF, a ton of heat over it. I had to take the L on it, but there's a lawsuit incoming. Very nice, Tim. Bone is going crazy. When MOAS? Tomorrow. MOAS. Soon. MOAS. Always MOAS. Right around the corner, man. Let's see where Bone is, because I haven't looked at Bone, and people are getting a lot of... they're getting very excited about the Shibarium release, and Bone could do well because of it. Bone is up. Bone is up 11.82% today. Bone actually doing very well on the Shibarium expectations here. So after rising nicely over the last week, going from 90 cents, it is currently sitting at $1.26, $1.27. So not bad gains at all. Roughly 35% gains over the last week alone. You're looking at the last month, man. Actually almost doubling in price. Taking it from 68 cents all the way up to $1.26. So Bone is having a phenomenal month right now, doubling in price on Shibarium expectations. Please do not forget what happened. The last time we had Shibarium expectations, Bone did this exact same thing. It went from the major support around 68 cents, bounced up to $2 on those expectations, and after the testnet release, right back down. So please be aware, it does have resistance in the area it's in right now. But if it goes up to that $2 mark, guys, I mean, I don't know. If you're profitable, take some profit on it. Don't let all the money go. Where we going? Leave my butt out of the convo. Absolutely. Let's just admit it. A hoodwinked retail. I'll admit it all day, man. He really did. At the end of July will be crazy. Precise Audio Blog. If you're talking about Bone, yeah, dude, going into August. So August 15th and 16th is the Shibarium, I guess, event that they're going to be releasing Shibarium at that ETH Toronto. And that's taking place in Toronto, August 15th and 16th. So leading up to that, you could have a nice frenzy buy. But please be aware, people may sell the news. And after they buy the rumor, they may sell the news. And after that ETH Toronto event, you may see a decline in price there. Most think the reverse split will cause the MOAS. They are wild. Yeah, Project NFT TV, man. I would love to hear somebody's honest explanation as to why they think the reverse split would cause the MOAS. In all actuality, it is going to kill it. So I don't know how somebody could believe something so untrue. And I would like them to explain it to me, because I think that it's the exact opposite. Clay Roficos. What is this? Is this backwards? No, I don't even know what this is, man. 22. What's going on? Roth 22. Dump it August 15th. You're probably going to be pretty well off if you do end up doing that August 15th. Because it's a buy the rumor, sell the news event for a lot of people, and you don't want to get caught holding the bag. Of course, it's going to dump. It's related to Shib for it to clear up debt after dilution. Okay, well, that's the thing. Who are they getting the money to? That's the thing that I don't know if these people realize, because they might still believe that there's a billion naked shorts out there and stuff, but the reported short shares are what have to be covered. Regardless of whether you think there's a billion naked shorts out there or not, the reported short shares are what have to be covered. And they're going to be getting the money to clear up the debt by selling to the people who are short AMC. So the whole thing of like covering the shorts, they will be able to cover it directly from the shares they receive from Adam Aaron. So yeah, they might end up out of this whole thing debt free, but if there's no chance of a squeeze after all of that happens, how excited should we actually be that we just sold all of our shares to the hedge funds? I wouldn't be excited at all. Boom goes crazy. Shyster Oshi and the developers laugh so hard they cry into their money. Yes. Yes. All the way to the bank. They're just crying tears and wiping their tears of joy with their $100 bills that they get from Bone and Leash and Shiboshis and everything except for Shiba Inu coin moving higher. Because don't forget, guys. Every bone that was minted, the developers walked away with part of that bone that was minted. And I don't know how much they're sitting on. I don't know if it's 50 million bone, 10 million bone, or what. They're sitting on a lot of bone. And Bone, going into the release of Shibarium, is only going to create more utility for Bone. So it's obvious that they were doing it all for their own benefit. It's the generic name to an old medication. Gotcha! That I have no idea what it was. So, very good. Rofacog Sib 22. Hopefully that you are healthy and don't need that medicine. Hoodbro tagged John on Twitter with a life changer in crypto that happened with a guy, Mr. J, on his gains on Pepe 2.0 and your advice for the future. Let's see here. PS5. Let's see what this guy, let's see what he tagged me in. I love life-changing stories, man. Yes, notifications. Let's see. Oh, here we go. What's next for the live? Much love, bro. Dude, that's beautiful there, man. That is beautiful. Look at that right there, dude. 20,000% gains. Dude, 20,000% gains. 1,000% gain is a 10x. That's a 200x gain, man. That is insane. 75x leveraged. Entry price of 4 zeros in a 6. Getting out at 3 zeros in a 2. A 20,000% gain after your 75x leveraged. My goodness. Congratulations, man. That is absolutely insane. And, wow, dude. I mean, I hope it was on more than $1, but don't go out there and just buy crazy lottery ticket plays like that, guys, expecting to make a 200x gain. Let's see. Come back down, Moji, exactly. I don't used to work in a pharmacy. Thanks, bro. Good deal, man. Legal drug pusher. Yes. Moji. Nurse. Wow. Precise audio blog. It's insane. It used to. Still medical, but a little bit more involved now. Very good, Raf. Clay, how are you missing all these? What, you? Moji. I'm not missing you. Am I missing you? Something then dumped and said, legal drug pusher. Clay, how are you missing all these? Oh, are you talking about me on Pepe 2.0? Well, I ain't 75x leveraging. Is that what you're talking about, or are you talking about comments in the live stream? Because now I might be missing something else if you're talking about comments in the live stream and or missing out on Pepe 2.0 there. Afternoon, bros and broettes. What's going on? Tony D. Oh, these gains. Well, dude, I'm not going to 75x leverage on a trade. That 75x leverage trade was absolutely phenomenal. But, yeah, dude, I don't know. The Pepe 4.2, I thought that was like, I mean, I guess I didn't buy it during the live stream, or during the break in between the live streams, and I should have. That was a 3x gain in something that we just looked at this morning. I feel almost as if, just because we looked at that this morning, is why it shot up 300%. Now, if it comes back down, yeah, dude, you're talking buy this if it ends up coming back down here. Even half Pepe. I mean, Pepe 5.0 continues to rip. It's still posting green lines here, and it's only sitting at a 14. That's the total liquidity is 17,000. Golly bum, man, 15. Oh my gosh. I don't know how I'm missing out on them, man. It's just the total liquidity continues to rip higher. I'd watch out for this one though, because it's got 3 warnings by Go Plus. Let's see what these warnings are. I'm not terribly interested in this one if they can't get it figured out here. Anti-whale function and transaction tax can be modified. So they could end up rugging this one if they wanted to with the 100% transaction tax. I'd watch out for Pepe 5.0. But, dude, when you're going half Pepe with where the gains, can't even go far enough to see half Pepe. Yeah, Pepe 0.5 here. $79,000 market cap, already on its way back down from where it was, but had a nice pump up. Coming back down, man, just as fast as it went up, it is coming back down. So watch out for half Pepe here. I swear it was just at $100 and some thousand market cap. Now it's coming back down from those levels from like 29 back down to 15. So dumped off 50% very quickly. Watch out for half Pepe. And then I'm sure Pepe 420 will probably come back down. If not, congratulations to everybody who made gains in it this afternoon, because I was not one of them. Roll the dice, use the magic 8-ball. Moji, that's the way to do it, man. Hey, bro, I wish it was one of the bros, but can't we do the same with Shib now and get it even higher if Shib hits at an all-time high? And what would that gains be? So, yes, if you 75x leveraged your position, okay, just like that guy did. If Shiba Inu coin goes from where it's at right now to an all-time high, and you 75x leverage your position, you would make 750x gains. You would make 75,000% returns. For every dollar you invest, you would have $750. That would be phenomenal if that was the case. Here's the thing you got to look out for, though. If you are 75x leveraging, you cannot afford a 1.5% decline. A 1.5% decline wipes the trade. 1.5% decline, they close your trade out, and you no longer have that position open. So if you put $100, if you let $100 ride on it, you 75x leverage it, a simple 1.5% pullback, the whole trade is gone. If you put $1,000 on it, a 1.5% pullback, the whole $1,000 is gone. So you do have to be very, very careful and get in as it's rising and hope that there is no pullback whatsoever. Because, dude, a 1% move in Pepe 2.0, I mean, it happens just like that. It is constantly moving 1%. So could you do it with Shiba Inu coin? Yes. If you get in now in 726 points per coin is the lowest that Shib goes. You will make 750x gains if you 75x leverage that position and it reaches all-time highs. The risk you run, though, is that it drops another 12 points per coin. If it comes down, man, if it drops down to 700 points per coin, your entire trade is wiped. And you don't want that to happen. $100 gone if it drops to 700 points per coin. That's the risk you run with such a wildly leveraged trade. What is Pepe 5.0? I see these are definitely suspect. Yeah, Pepe 5.0, man, another attempt that somebody's got taking advantage of the Pepe hype. So I don't know what they do. Just think of it as a meme. Think of it as a potential scam. I have no idea what Pepe 5.0, 6.0, 100.0 is going to be involved with. I just know that people are buying these Pepe coins right now. Where do you buy these Pepes? Forest. Some of them are available on like KuCoin, Mexi Global, and stuff like that. The other ones, okay, the ones that haven't hit major exchanges yet, you got to get them on Uniswap, okay? And one of the ways that you can see it is if you go out here and you type in all of these Pepe. So if you type in Pepe, you can pull up all the Pepe coins. And if you want to know where it's available for trade, if you scroll down to the bottom of CoinMarketCap, right here, these are all of Pepe 4.20's market cap or markets where you can buy it. You can only get Pepe 4.20 on Uniswap. So you got to go to Uniswap to get Pepe 4.20. If you're wanting like Pepe 2.0, Pepe 2.0 is available in a variety of locations. Wow, where are we? And you can get it on Uniswap, KuCoin, Uniswap, Gate.io, and Bybit. So you can get it on a couple centralized exchanges if you would like. And doing $8 million in volume on KuCoin today, it's getting a lot of attention, man. $100 million in trades just over the last 24 hours. Pepe 2.0 rolling. Pepe 4.2.0 could be one of the next rollers out there. So just keep an eye on it, guys. Lottery ticket plays, though. Michael Allen! You have to burn Lunk to get entropy tokens. Test tokens, right? Test tokens at the moment. You've got to burn Terra Luna Classic to get those tokens. You are right on that. Let's hope that it kind of goes the same way when the actual blockchain launches. And if I'm missing something, please update me, but that's the last I know about it. But you are right on that one. If you want to test the blockchain entropy or entropy blockchain, whatever it's ending up being called, you do have to burn Terra Luna Classic in order to get that. Fist bump, fist bump, fist bump, fist bump. Michael Allen. Mike, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate you, man. The most consistent player in the game, ladies and gentlemen. Michael, absolutely loving it, man. Appreciate you being in here, dude. What happened to that one crypto? The Doge Killer. You talking about Leash, man? Are you talking about Leash? Leash is still out there. Wasn't Leash the Doge Killer? Yeah, Doge Killer. Leash, baby. $323 per coin. It is up 6% on the day today as everybody is excited about Shibarium. And over the last month has been doing very well, going from $250 to $325. These guys are making a lot of money here as well, going from $250, maybe on its way back up, to $700 per coin. The same way when Bone runs, Leash runs as well. But be careful, you know, it's got a $34 million market cap. This is not as big as Leash or as Bone is, and not nearly as big as Shiba Inu coin. So keep an eye on Leash if you guys are interested in it. This is the priority token for everything Shiba Inu coin ecosystem. Mochi, I'll save about 10 million Shibs. So if by some miracle it ever hits $1, yeah, but yeah, I'm with you on that one. There you go, man. Shib, half a penny. I'm done. Dude, if Shib hits half a penny, I mean, you guys are making phenomenal gains if it does go that high. Luke or Shib, a penny, and I'm retired. Mike, 100%. There's a lot of people that would be able to retire if Shiba Inu coin hits a penny or if Terra Luna Classic goes up to a penny. A lot of people have been stacking those for a very long time, and I do believe that a lot of people will be sitting on some very nice gains if it ends up going in that direction. If me or Dark Bro hits an altcoin, the bros will be set. I love it, Michael. Clever, why is Solana and Bitcoin Cash going higher in a trend compared to Bitcoin? Is it better to leverage those or just stick to Bitcoin? Because when it runs fast. Well, it's up to you. So right now, Bitcoin Cash is probably getting all the attention that it is because of the EDX exchange. Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Litecoin are the 4 coins that are being listed on that EDX exchange between Fidelity and Schwab and some of the Wall Street elites out there. That's got Bitcoin running, that's got Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash running, that's got Litecoin running, and Solana's running, I believe, because there's some talk of FTX being able to recover like $7 billion worth of customers' funds. And $7 billion worth of customers' funds. A lot of Solana was recovered or something along those lines. So it has been doing very well over the last couple of weeks, going back up to near $22. I don't know where it is at right now. 21.38 right now. Attempting this resistance line around $22 per coin. So Solana been doing well. If you're talking about leveraging, you know, leveraging Bitcoin is going to be slightly safer than leveraging Solana. Why? Because Bitcoin moves a little slower. Bitcoin is a bigger asset, and it moves a little slower than something like Solana. Let's say that Solana does come up here, and it touches this $22 mark. If you were to play a leveraged short position, you could make a lot of money with it bouncing back off and maybe coming back down to reattempt $19. So it's possible, but I would just say it's slightly riskier to leverage Solana or another coin other than Bitcoin than it would be to leverage Bitcoin, simply because Bitcoin theoretically should move slightly slower than the altcoins do. What's your thoughts on Loon Clay? Do you think it'll hit $1? So, without burns, no. I do not think the Terra Luna Classic is going to reach a $6-7 trillion valuation without being able to burn, 95% of its supply. It doesn't get to $1. If by some miracle Terra Luna Classic is able to burn a massive amount, I'm talking 90+% of their coins, and on top of burning a massive amount of their coins, we do end up with either a stable coin or a reason to do commerce in Terra Luna Classic once again, then yes, I think it's a possibility. But I don't see it sporting a $6-7 trillion valuation, which is what it would need if Terra Luna Classic goes to $1. Hello, Clay from Spain. Pepe Brato, hello from Ohio. Pudgy Elish has a low supply. I picked up a few last year at the June crash. There you go, Tony D, man, very nice. It does have a very low supply compared to the other coins. For real, Michael, you guys are going to be good. If one of your altcoins rips, it's going to be nice. I'll be flying to Pluto. Tax evasion. Probably find me there. Too darn orange squeezing. What? I'll be flying to Pluto. Tax evasion. Probably find me there too. Darn orange. Oh. Darn orange squeeze. Yes, I got it. The orange squeezing government. Yes, that's what it is, man. I don't know if we can talk about tax evasion on here, but it's not a bad idea to save money in terms of not paying a higher tax bill. Hey, bros, I don't know how to read charts. Can you check out Wrapped Terra Classic on CoinGecko? Wrapped Luna hit 014 July 3rd, then went back down. Something weird keeps happening. Yeah, so I tried to look up that chart. What's the ticker on there? Because I could not find it earlier. Tony D, I have CoinGecko open here, but Wrapped Luna Classic, I don't see it anywhere. I only see Wrapped Luna on CoinGecko, but it's $26. So I don't have any idea which coin we're looking at on CoinGecko. I tried to pull it up earlier when somebody was looking at it, but it was pulling up the wrong chart or something. Let's come down here. I'm Daniel. Hi, from Romania. Well, hello, Daniel. I'm Clay. I'm from Ohio. I'm very glad that you're in here right now. Michael, Mullen has a better chance of equaling Tesla than Lunker Shib hitting all-time highs. One word, parasitic developers. You know, it is true. These developers, if they were developing for the benefit of Terra Luna Classic, I'd be much more excited about it. But we know that they're developing for a paycheck. So we cannot let that paycheck dry up. We're kind of being held hostage by them at this point. Forgot I'm late is crap. Super late and work sucks. But wrapping things up, and I'm too nice and said I'd help a little tomorrow. But it's money, so whatever. And you know what, man? If you're just going to be sitting around all day on Saturday, you might as well go out and make some money instead of sitting at home watching TV, doing something that's going to waste your day. So, Chris, you are a nice guy, and I am glad that they pay you to do some work, and you're not just volunteering to clean up some yards. It's under Wrapped Terra Classic. All right, let's look at Wrapped Terra. There we go. There we go. Wrapped Terra Classic. Finally found it on here. All right, what do we got? 7-day chart. This is saying that it's spiked up here. Let's see where they draw their prices from. And see all trading pairs. This is tough, man. This is tough. So I don't know I don't know if one of these prices that was coming in was incorrect. Almost all of these trading pairs are on Uniswap. You've got one on Cytoswap, and you've got one on Polynex, and everything else is Uniswap. I would have a slight concern that some of these have only been updated 4 days ago, and that could have caused a bump in price here. Because what happens on these charts is that when you see a spike up, where's my price here? When you see a spike up in price like this, the first assumption should not be that this price is correct. The first assumption should be that this price is incorrect. And $719,000 in volume on July 2nd, $22,000 in volume there, $13,000 in volume. I would just imagine that this is a bad price from one of those exchanges that has Wrapped Luna Classic listed. You know, I don't know if it was coming in only in Indian rupees. I mean, you guys can do the conversion if you want and try and figure something out like that. If it was coming in Filipino pesos or what the deal would be, but something caused that price to be incorrect. Because here's the thing you got to remember. Just because CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko is showing you this price does not mean that you can go out there and sell it for that price. You still have to, find the exchange that you've got it on and sell it for the price that's on that exchange. So I do see that this spiked up right now, but the first assumption I would have is that this is incorrect. It's just an incorrect inflow from wherever the market was that was feeding it that number there. Would most likely be a glitch. When Tectonic, man. We haven't talked about that in a while. Let's see what Tectonic is doing. Tectonic, ladies and gentlemen, is sitting 1% lower on the day today. And it is a $28 million. Actually holding very steady from where it was before. If you're going out to that annual chart, man, it is on its way back down, but still not nearly as low as it was when people were buying. So getting in these areas, this was back in January of 2023 here. People got in with some very nice like 3 to 4x gains here, running from 800 to 2,400 points, and then slowly and steadily on its way back down now. Unfortunately, broke down through this support line, and could be coming back down to test these points. I don't know, 8 points, 80 points, 800 points, whatever you guys want to end up calling it there. But on its way back down, sitting at a $28 million market cap with only $55,000 being traded on a 24-hour basis. Any play in Carvana? I do not have any plays in Carvana, but let's check out what Carvana is doing right now. 21% gain on the day today. Carvana looking very good today, and actually getting ready to break out of resistance, man. Carvana looking at this range right here. Cap to the upside, cap to the upside, cap to the upside. Support on the downside. What do we got? Cap to the upside, cap to the upside, cap to the upside. If it breaks out of this level, man, you could watch Carvana rip from $30 up to possibly 40, 42, or potentially through that $55 mark. If it gets through this area in here, dude, I mean, watch out, $100. So I'm not in Carvana. I probably won't get in Carvana, but if anybody got into Carvana at the beginning of the year, you are 10x gaining right now since January, December of 2023, 2022 there. So very nice to anybody who has been buying into Carvana here. 21% gains on the day today. Absolutely phenomenal, man. Is anybody in here playing Carvana? Kenneth, thank you very much. Oh, nice. 2 months. 2 months a bro, Kenneth. I think something might be wrong with that. Didn't Kenneth say how he was a bro, like, for 11 months? Like, yesterday? That's very weird to me. Check out Pepe Mo. Good token security, no warnings on the BNB chain. I may make a play on it. Dark Bro, we're going to pull up right after I say, Kenneth, thank you very much for 5 green names. Absolutely loving it, Kenneth, man. Thank you very much for the 5 green names. Nufo grabbing a green name. Jeffrey grabbing a green name. Caesar got a green name. Wayne Grow got a green name. And Chris Pope got a green name. If you guys are in here right now, please throw some thank yous out to Kenneth for 5 green names, man. Absolutely love it. Everybody in here, except for Johnsontown and Roulette Wheel, should have a green name right now. There's no green names, except for Raf. Raf, man, you have to enable your gift receiving. You'll get a green name if you do. Kenneth, thank you very much for that, man. You are a bro above all bros. I love it, Johnstontown. Thank you guys very much for showing the gratitude towards Kenneth, for throwing those green names out there. Incredible. And here come the members across the screen right now. Nufo grabbing it, Jeffrey grabbing it, Caesar grabbing it, Wayne Grow grabbing it, and Chris Pope grabbing it. Looking good, guys. Kenneth coming in hot, man. Yes, he is. Also, something Michael might miss. I might have missed something, Michael, if I don't know if I missed it. It's Clibro. Every YouTuber calling out 29,000, 28,800 from the 0.71 fib bounce. But if everyone has limit orders there, won't the market makers come down to get them? PS5. I went back up and I saw that comment there. I don't know if that's necessarily true. A lot of people believe that market makers go, limit hunting, stop loss hunting, buy limit hunting, and so on. I don't know if that's necessarily the case, but it could be a possibility. That does coincide with my lower levels of support with these Fibonacci retracements you're discussing, and I do think that we can go back down and hit those numbers. I just don't know if it's a guaranteed thing, right? I don't look at anything technical analysis-wise as having to happen. Even gap fills, man. Some people are convinced that even if it's 10 years later, a stock has to fill a gap. I'm not that way, man. Technical analysis is a very good indicator of what could be happening, but I do not view it as an indicator of what has to happen. It's just what could be and it possibly should be happening. Thank you, Kenneth. Very nice, Nufo. I love the gratitude, man. I think I've proved that you don't always get a green name. Tim is the only man in history to send a green name without actually sending a green name. So congratulations, Tim. You have the ghost green name. It is still floating around out there in who knows where land. One day, I do believe it will show back up. And because I did say that I was going to do this earlier and I forgot to do it at this live stream so far, I did want to say a special thank you to Pat once again, man. I woke up this morning, saw a super chat come across from Pat that was sent when we were not live. And it says, "Good morning, Clay. Hope all is well. Please send out a dilly and my best regards to everyone. Keep the faith, bro, fam. After all, bears will have to hibernate and the bulls are getting riled up for their stampede. 9,775 to go." Pat, man, if you're listening right now, thank you very much. If you're not listening right now, thank you very much for the super chat, especially when we're not live streaming, man. How epic is that? You get a super chat when you're not even live streaming. So thank you very much for everybody out there that supports this channel just by watching videos and so on. Hey, bro, yet those that called long in 24,000 are smiling, so looking at something like that to look for the low up to the highs, not missing a chance next. No, yeah, I agree. PS5, man. Anybody that would have bought in at 24,000 on the way back up, not necessarily on the way down, because, when we tapped 24,000 on the way down, we fell through it, and then fell all the way down to about 15,000. So on the way back up, the breakthrough of resistance there, they've done very well since then. You can see that by coming out here, putting a longer term graph on it. Here's the thing. Here's where we've been bouncing so far this year. And if you put more of a long-term, lower high level of this ascending trend or higher lows being reached here, you can see that since the beginning of 2023, Bitcoin has bounced, came back down and tested this ascending trend line. It has bounced, come back down, tested this ascending trend line. It has bounced slightly higher this time and could and probably should come back down and test this ascending trend line. The question is, though, where does it test it? Do we wait another month and test it out here at 29,000? Oops. Do we, break down now and come down and test it at 27,000? That's the thing. So if this ascending trend line that has been going on since the beginning of 2023, continues to hold up here, this is the line you got to look for. And it does coincide with a lot of other levels of intermediate and longer term resistance that we have. So we've got a lot of lines on the Bitcoin chart right now that could really dictate the future of where Bitcoin is going, both long and short term. let's see if we can get rid of this one since we got a big red one here. There's a lot of room for Bitcoin to fall. There's a lot of room for Bitcoin to run. All right, coming on that one. Let's see what it decides to do this weekend. Happy Friday, Clay and Clay Bros. Hope everybody's doing well. Danelle, so glad to have you in here. And I do hope that you're having a great Friday as well. Pepe Mo sounds like something I'd be interested in. Let's talk about, is it Pepe Mo? Is that a coin? Or is that Pepe Mo? Is it this one, Dark Bro? Let's see if it's this one. Could be this one. Dark Bro up 62% today. Very nice. $37,000 worth of volume. $100,000 market cap. 64% gains. And it has been out for 1 day. It's been out for a day right now, guys. It was launched yesterday. And it's been basically trading sideways. Now, where has this gone? From 13... Yeah, it's more than doubled in price from its lows to its highs here. So if this is a legitimate coin that you can get in on some dips and get out on some bounces, you could be doing very well to trade. Pepe Mo. Pepe Mo is that one right there. Pepe Fo, 0.20, is currently sitting sideways right now. $134,000 market cap on Pepe Fo 20. Pfft, little bro, big bro. Benjamin Button syndrome down to 2 months. Yeah, it really is, dude. I don't know what's going on, Kenneth. Kenneth is down to 2 months on that one. I swear he was at 11 months yesterday. He's been over a year. Nobody knows where this guy's at. Kenneth, a legend, man. Nobody knows what's going on with your account. Check Rivian. Let's look at it. Lunk graph. David, we can pull up Lunk as well if you would like. You bet Pepe and Shiba Inu will never reach a penny due to their large number of... yeah, so Elito Silva. I do think it's going to be very difficult, if not impossible, for Shiba and Pepe to reach $1. A penny. Even a penny is going to be really, really ridiculous. Penny is a $6 trillion valuation on them. So, what were we looking up? Oh, Rivian. That's a stock, not a coin. Rivian, ladies and gentlemen, ripping up 14% today. Wow. All right, so you guys can see this here. Rivian, after it attempted this line, I don't know when you guys made me look at this last week, okay? But bouncing nicely and testing this level of resistance. We said that if it's able to break up through this little level right in here, which it absolutely did. I did not put these lines on here today. You guys clearly can see that. We just clicked on it and they've been here. We said that it would attempt this level of resistance. Where do we get that level? From this level of support that was tested back here in 2022. That is exactly what it did today. I don't know if Rivian is going to get rejected off of this level or if Rivian is going to rip up all the way to $30 per share. But it moved nicely in a 1 week period from one level of resistance to the next. Rivian is looking very good right now since April, going from $12 a share to $24 a share, doubling in price. So congratulations to anybody that is currently in Rivian making a killing. Doubling your money is insane, guys, so congratulations. I'm ready for a freaking BZ. I know Mo gets it. I do not get it. Somebody might need to help me. Mochi, Dark Pro, Lemon Lust, gotcha, Danelle. Fist bumps all around to Danelle. Whoever, these meme coins are nuts. Just hopped in Mexi Global and saw Baby Doge 2 and even Shib 2. What the heck is going on? Look, man, all of these meme coins are nuts. You're absolutely right on that. But people in the crypto space love to gamble. So just be aware that these cryptocurrencies, yes, they are very lucrative when you are right, but they can be very detrimental when you are wrong. So just watch out for them, man. Xpeng, is that another one we got to look at here? They're supposed to close the bridge to unwrap. Coinbase holds 100 billion wrapped, and they keep doing weird stuff. A few weeks ago, my ledger balance was tracking Luna 2.0, and I had over $100 million. Oh my gosh. Tony. Yeah, that's insane, man. I don't know, and that could be, it could have jumped to another price like that on CoinGecko, and that's why you see the price jump. But I can't explain it. I didn't see it happen, and I don't know what prices it was pulling from, but dude, if you can ever, even if it's a glitch like that, take advantage of it. More often than not, you can't take advantage of it because it's just a glitch and just a fake number. But if you can ever take advantage of it, man, take advantage of it. Danelle always needs barn cats. Oh, Tim always needs barn cats. Why, you got mice, man? You don't want the mice? Mice are good, too. Moji! Thank you very much for the super chat. Moji says, let's get started. Thank you very much, Moji, for the super chat. Absolutely, that is an embarrassing one. It's a little weird to meow like a kitty cat right there. But for Danelle, I will meow. Thank you very much for the super chat, Moji. Absolutely appreciate it. Would love a kitten. Do you post to England? Can you even send a cat overseas? Like, what would happen? What if you just put a cat in a box and tried to send it overseas? No shipping. Darn. Tim, I've been working on taming these 4 for the past 2 weeks. Danelle, is it working out very well for you? Because how many do you have now? Don't you have like 30 cats? I feel like you have 30 cats. Didn't they move from like 20 to 30? I got feed in the barns. Always got mice. The answer is barn cats. I don't have any mice. I did have some mice. Mice like to come in the house during the winter, but I don't have any mice during the summer. They stay outside. 26. Gosh. If anybody needs a crazy cat lady, it is Danelle. Get your advice from her on crazy cats. She has 26 cats. Danelle, you know that's crazy, right? You know, 26 cats is insane. I've never seen anybody with more cats than Danelle has right there. It's friend Clay and all the bros out there. Have a line weekend. I'm going to watch Pepe 2.0 blow up and the moon price jump. Boom! Kenneth, I hope both of them happen for you, man. I really do. I hope Pepe 2.0 is trading at a $200 million market cap next week. And I hope I hope Mullen is back up to 50, 60 cents, dude. I want nothing but the best for all of the bros out there. And Danelle says, I'm crazy. At least, yes, at least she embraces it. Danelle knows she's crazy. Good deal. That's the best kind of crazy there is. Got 150 Pepe Mo. Let's moon, baby. 150 billion Pepe Mo. You know what? Yeah, Dark Bro, man. If it starts to rip with a $100,000 market cap, dude, you know, you could easily 10x just to get to $1 million market cap. And then from there, $10 million market cap is 100x on your money. So I hope Pepe Mo gets up to a $10 million market cap over the weekend for you, and it rips. No, Pepe 2.0 has to at least hit. Oh, sorry with my 200 million being too low there. Pepe 2.0, I hope to see 200 million next week and 600 million the following week. Let's get started. Tim, you want to come to Indiana and pick them up? Yeah, Tim will probably take 20 off your hands, so you can have 6 left. Clay Bro, there's a coin named DMTR. Went on their website. What do you think? It will hold if I will hold if you will. Not financial advice. A YouTube vid on the web looks legit. Jeremy W, it's time. What's going on to make it the best year ever? Let's get started. All right, let's look at DMTR really quick before we get off of here, guys. DMTR. Dimitra. I don't know anything about these guys. Small little $12 million market cap. Oh, man, this is a tough one. Look, they've got a 34% circulating supply. I don't know if that's because they have a massive amount staked at such low prices or if they continue to dilute the crap out of their holders. So because I don't know, this is a terrible looking graph. Yes, it could easily bounce back up if they have some massive volume days. But I'm skeptical of any graph that looks like this because why would it not continue to come down here? If you don't understand the importance of data storage and the value of, why are you here? At least 80% of the Fortune 500 companies rely on data. And so I don't know. Mick means. I don't know. I thought he was going to say it. And you guys can't see any of it. Oh my gosh. Extremely skeptical of this one, PS5. I don't know, man. I'm extremely skeptical of any graph that looks like that right there. It sucks that it's locked up. Something I know. Brenneth, it's a BNB coin. I might have missed it. Guys, it is 5 o'clock. We're going to be getting off here for right now. Put your playlists on loop over the weekend. Remember, every ad that you watch is at least a half a penny. You keep that playlist rolling. Everybody's throwing nickels and dimes over the weekend. Don't forget to do it, man. Click the like button. Click the comment button. Click the follow button. Click the subscribe button. Click the join. Just click all the buttons down there. Test them out. See what they do. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and then we will be back tonight with those videos, man. Jeremy W., shout-out to you, man. Enjoy your weekend. Kenneth, see you later. Jeremy W., Moji, Dark Bro, Project, NFT TV. Jeremy W., see you later, man. Dark Bro, J-Bones, baby. Lemon Lust, Danelle, have a fantastic weekend as well, Danelle. Moji, enjoy your weekend. Tim, enjoy it, man. Dark Bro, J-Bones, baby. Danelle, Lemon Lust, Pudgy, man. Peace out of the diamond wrench hands. Oh, yeah. Chris, glad to a surprise stream this weekend. I doubt it happens, man, but you never know. You guys stay on tune for that one. Tim, throwing a green name. I love it. Tim throwing a green name out there, and Eddie Zamora grabbing that green name. Looking good, Tim. Thank you very much for that. Eddie, if you're in here, please say thank you to Tim. Everybody else do it as well. Danelle, enjoy it. DD214, provide informative stock, crypto details. DD214, I appreciate you being in here, man, and asking excellent questions and having some fun with us. Danelle, enjoy your weekend. Chris, Precise Audio Blog, and Kenneth throwing out another green name. Kenneth, thank you very much for the green name, man. And Dan, just straight up Dan. Dan grabbing that green name from Ken to Dan. Thanks, Ken. Absolutely, man. Everybody thank you to Ken out on the way out as well. Lemon Lust, thank you to Tim. Thank you to Dan as well, man. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Dan, see you later. Kenneth, see you later. Lemon Lust, Pudgy, PS5, Gorilla, AMZ, Puto, Ahoo, J-Bones with the weekend. Superhero, Super Chat. Alright, we got this. J-Bones, man, thank you very much for the superhero super chat. One of Moji's favorites right there. Absolutely appreciate that, J-Bones, man. Enjoy your weekend. Danelle, see you later. Kenneth, see you later. Aiden, Gorilla, Pudgy, man. Peace out of the diamond-handed King Poodles, baby. Or just peace out of the King Poodle. Peace out to the handed King Poodles. Not the diamond-handed King Poodles, just the handed King Poodles. DD214, see you later. J-Bones, oh, I'll fly. Fly like an eagle. Tim, man, enjoy your weekend. Moji, we got Kenneth. We got Pudgy. Friday OT, baby. J-Bones, you already know what it is. Tim, in order to eat the hot dog, you dip the hot dog. You dip the hot dog in your favorite dip, and when you're finally done dipping the hot dog in your favorite dip, you shove it. One bite. Tim, man, thank you very much for the hot dog. Kenneth, I'm still waiting for my go blue. Dang it, man. I feel like I gotta give Kenneth the blue wrench here pretty soon. Some of these people are gonna be losing a blue wrench, and Kenneth might be getting one. Kenneth, thank you very much for the super chat and pointing out that you are patiently, yes, waiting for your name to go blue in the chat. Thank you. J-Bones for the mustache. Thank you very much for the mustache. J-Bones, thank you. Where is Kombu? I don't know. Do you? Thank you very much, J-Bones, for the mustache. Absolutely love it. And we got another superhero super sticker. Moji. my gosh. All right, I got that. I need some authorized hydration, man. Moji, thank you very much. J-Bones, thank you very much. Kenneth, thank you very much. Tim, thank you very much. You guys with the super chats, I love it. Thank you very much. Shout out to Lemon Lush. Shout out to J-Bones, Moji, DD214. See you later. Enjoy your weekend, man. J-Bones, had a boy. Oh, yes. Where are you going? Nowhere. Pudgy, I thought I was leaving, man. Aiden, see you later. DD214, see you later, man. Vamp BVs? Yes. Bitcoin Cash, if you want it. Gorilla Invictus, enjoy your weekend. Fist, boom. Fist, boom. Fist, boom. Fist, bump. Cut it! Thank you very much for the fist bumps. Oh, J-Bones, man, it's a tough weekend without you. It's going to be a tough weekend without you, J-Bones, man, but you are going to enjoy it. I know that you absolutely will. Gorilla, enjoy your weekend. Next Level, enjoy your weekend. You guys know what time it is. It's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Anybody else hard like a diamond out there? Tim is. I know Tim is right now. Thank you very much, Kenneth, J-Bones, Gorilla, Next Level, Tim, Precise Audio Blog, DD214, Kenneth, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every... Oh my gosh, Moji, you scared me on that one, man. I thought we were leaving, but I guess I thought wrong. Pudgy, you take the banana, you tilt the head back, you lick the banana, and you stick the banana. Thank you very much, Moji. Thank you very much, Pudgy, for the beautiful suit. Oh, Dark Bro. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, Dark Bro, I got scared once again. AMC. Good popcorn. Yes, thank you very much, J-Bones. We got shout-outs all day. Kenneth, we got the... That is my underwater rock star. I really don't know if it's a scuba diver or if it is a rock star there. So I just got the dude playing guitar underwater. Oh my gosh. That's actually one of the harder ones to bend your head like that. Dark Bro, thank you very much for making me go upside down. Did it? I don't even know what my face looks like with my eyes closed like that. So technically, I don't know if that worked or not. DD214, I have no idea. But what I do know is how to eat a hot dog. Pudgy, you take the hot dog, man. You dip that hot dog in your favorite dip. When you're done dipping that hot dog in your favorite dip, you shove it in one bite. It's called the dip and shove, ladies and gentlemen. The dip and shove. JB, hello to you and goodbye. Well, I thought it was a goodbye to you. Thank you very much, J-Bones. Thank you very much, J-Bones. Thank you very much, J-Bones. Yeah, I needed that. I needed that, J-Bones. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. At the end of the stream, I think is the end of the stream here. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Shoutouts to Dark Bro, J-Bones, Kenneth, Dark Bro, DD214, Pudgy, JB, J-Bones, Lemon Lust, Kenneth, Project NFT TV, and Dark Bro once again. You guys know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. I thought I was out. I thought I was out, but I guess I thought... Ooh, look at that tiny little horn. Thank you very much for the super chat. Everybody loves a king unicorn, and everybody loves to go upside down as well. My gosh, it is one of the hardest ones to do. You get back up, you're dizzy every single time. It's actually easier to go... Moji, thank you very much for the King Turkey. You guys are making me work for it today. Absolutely love it, man. We get some King Turkeys. We get some King Unicorns. We get some Upside Down Bros. We get shoutouts to Kenneth, Back to the Future, Tim, J-Bones, Moji, Back to the Future, Tim, Kenneth, J-Bones, Moji. All of you guys. Convinced you have no idea what time it is. Oh my gosh, JB! Thank you very much for the super chat. JB had me scared on that one. I didn't know. I think he was anticipating the... Clay Bros Fuzzy Peach. DD214, was that dedicated to you, or was that dedicated to D's, or was that dedicated to Moji? Because we know that Moji and D's love Clay Bros Peach. Thank you very much. J-Bones! Bye-bye! Hey, J-Bones, man. Bye-bye! Hey, J-Bones! Bye-bye! J-Bones, guess what time it is? Bye-bye! Time to go! Thank you very much, J-Bones, for this. Oh my gosh, Tim, Tim, why do you keep scaring me like that, man? You guys got me going crazy right now. JB, man, thank you very much for the super chat. DD214, thank you for the peach. We got Kenneth, 12-minute mark. Oh, yes. J-Bones, Lemon Lust. Tim, thank you very much for the super chat as well. Moji, Kenneth, Back to the Future, J-Bones, Kenneth, Lemon Lust, all of you guys. I know you don't know what time it is, but if you want to say it with me, I'll let you say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.